Next, melt your chocolate in a microwavable safe bowl in 30-second intervals, stirring after each interval until the chocolate is fully melted and smooth. Then pour into a resealable baggie and set that aside for now. Next, take a knife and make a slit in the marshmallow big enough for your candy cane to go in. And repeat this with all 6 candy canes. Next, take your baggie and snip the tip of the corner off of your bag and squeeze some of the melted chocolate into the bottom of each of the plastic cups. You want to squeeze enough just to cover the bottom of the cup, and repeat that with each of the cups. Next, you're going to take one of the candy cane marshmallows and place it into the chocolate. It's okay if they don't stand upright, just place one in each cup and repeat until there's a marshmallow candy cane in each cup. Follow the same steps for melting the milk chocolate to melt the white chocolate. Once it's melted, place it into a resealable baggie. Next, you're going to snip the tip off of this baggie and squeeze some of the white chocolate around the marshmallow, covering the milk chocolate, just enough to cover the milk chocolate. And you'll repeat that with all 6 cups. And then once you have done this, I gently tap the cups on the counter to release any air bubbles, and it also helps level out the chocolate. Now it's time to top our hot cocoa candy cane marshmallows. We used some crushed candy canes for one. For another one, we used some Christmas sprinkles. Another one, we used some different Christmas sprinkles. And then for another one, we decided to swirl the chocolate using a toothpick. And then for the final 2, we did a cute wreath design, which was super easy, but looks really pretty. Next, it's time to place them in the refrigerator until they're hardened and set, and then remove them from the cup. And when it's time to drink, pour some very warm milk over one of the candy cane marshmallows, stir to melt the chocolate and dissolve the marshmallow, and enjoy! If you want to give one of the hot cocoa candy cane marshmallows as a gift, place it in a clear cellophane bag, tie it with some twine, and use the cute label provided in the description box below. If you try this recipe, leave a comment below and let us know which topping was your favorite. Maybe you came up with some different options that we'd all like to try. Leave a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks!